relaxing? Huh? It's so... Are you exercising, young boy? No, don't bother you. Are you still relaxing? I'm cleaning here. Hello. Good morning. Hey, young boy. Why are you sad, huh? You don't like your new collar? Huh? You give me a company? Huh? Huh? Why are you sad? Where are your playmates? Where's your girlfriends? Why they're not here? Huh? Hey, are you watching the patio? Are you watching? Hello? Hello? Play with your tail. There's the cat. He's watching the birds, the bluebird. Guys, look at the sparrow. I said, what's the noise about? Birds. Because there are a lot of I'm sure there are a lot of coming. Thank God there's no. They keep coming. They keep calling each other. Thank God there's no cats here. I said, what's that noise about? These birds are so noisy. So I look on the top over there. And the birds really go there. So cute. This is a sparrow with the color is orange. Orange and beige color. And when we go on the grass, look at that, so cute. They're all coming back because the cats, stray cats, at this time they're not here. They only comes here in the morning and noontime and until evening now. Show you my visitor. It's happy. He's sleeping here on the table and he said, "Hi, mommy, I'm watching your garden." Oh, hello, baby. What you doing there? Oh, you're taking a nap. Okay, stay. Stay. Stretching. Okay. It's gonna jump there.